Welcome back. Today we're going to look at something called demonstratives. Words like this, that, those, and these, and see how they can be used in different contexts. We make mistakes with these quite often. Let's stop making that today. That said, welcome. I'm Ajeeth from Capshine. Capshine is a revolutionary Learn It Together English fluency program. With Capshine, speaking English is easy, quick, fun, affordable, and effective, and we promise a whole new you in 6 months or less. So, what are the different uses of these demonstratives and how do you use them? Let's start with this. This is a singular noun, right? It is used to talk about things or refer to things near us. And of course, it is followed by is or was. Let's look at some examples. This is my friend. This girl is holding a placard with near written to it. This is Denver, my dog. And of course, this is my new phone. All these signify things that are close by and are singular. We could also do the same thing with that, but it has a slightly different role. For example, for singular nouns, but for things that are slightly far from us or quite far from us, we use that, and it's usually followed by is or was. For example, that is our cruise ship. So it's quite far away. That is our cruise ship. That airplane is white in color. So again, this is not very close. Therefore, you use the word that. And of course, that house is located in the middle of nowhere, and that island is known to be haunted. Again, it's quite far away, and therefore we use that. Before we move into the next few words, we're going to talk about the Capshine learning model. With this, you get speaking opportunities, you get to learn and practice as a group, you get customized feedback and a fluency tracker, and also live lessons and daily micro lessons that help you challenge yourself, get your foundations in place, and become a more confident and accurate user of the language. Let's move on to the next demonstrative. These are plural, unlike the previous two. These are used for objects that are near us, and of course this is followed by are or were. For example, these dogs are mine. These are my friends. So again, close by, you can point to them and they're very close by, but plural, and that's why we use these. Similarly, these books are mine, these students are working on their projects. All these are about plural nouns that are close by. What about plural nouns that are not close by? We use those. So those is used for plural nouns. They're far from us. They're followed by are or were. For example, those houses are on the edge of the mountain. Those trees are covered with snow. Great. So we know how to use these demonstratives. A pro tip for you that you want to keep in mind. These or those is also used with singular nouns written as plural. For example, these trousers are mine. So even though it's one pair of trousers, they're considered plural grammatically. Those spectacles are his, and these scissors are blunt. So notice how the plural demonstratives are used even though we're talking about a singular thing technically, right? I hope you found this useful. Make sure you use these demonstratives in the right way going forward. If you like the video, make sure you like and subscribe. Hit the bell notification to not miss a video like this. And of course, don't forget to check out the 30-day free trial by going to capshine.com or downloading the app from the Play Store.